we bought the house here in October 2021. We have been lifelong residents. My wife and I met in high school. I grew up on Broad Street. When we bought the house, we had to do a fair amount of updates, but back here in the garden, we know this was a vegetable garden back then. Just needed some love and care. So last summer was the first real summer here. We put in the patio and we started to build out some of the beds. This year is the first one we really put a lot more into it, where we built the path and the trellis, and then started to put more of the perennials in here for future growth. So just getting interested in gardening, we did a lot of landscaping from when we were kids and things like that. My father-in-law, he passed. He was always gardening vegetables, and he had huge stuff. He lived right over the bridge in Union Beach there all the time. So that was part of it when we started here. And then when we were over on 2nd Street, we added some more to it. And then here it was just really just to find a nice place back here to utilize all the space and, you know, grow some food, but also just enjoy it, where you come out, read a book, have your coffee, and we're having a party today. So.